Okay, example 4 is using slope using a graph. All right, so these are pretty straightforward. Hopefully you look at this one and you say, oh, it's going up from left to right. This one has to be positive, and then this one's going down. So we have an example of positive and negative slope here, kind of like what they look like. Now, what I like to do with these is like to find two clean points. In other words, points that go through, integer values of both x and y. So we've got one here that does that, and we've got one here that does that. And so then the next step is just make a right triangle, right? Go over until you're directly below that other point, and then drop that altitude down there. All right, and then this gives you just count how much you moved. So we went, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total units. So that's 8. And then this tells you we changed a total of 3, right? We went 1, 2, 3, so 3. So my slope is my change in y over change in x, right? So that's going to be 3 over 8. And then for your sign, just, it's positive, right? It's going up as it's going from left to right. So it's going to stay positive, and we're going to leave that like that. All right, now on this next one, my two clean points would be here and here. So if I draw my triangle, right? Ooh, that was really ugly. It looks like it's going down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So it's going down 4 units for every unit that it goes over. So for my change in y over change in x, right, my change in y is -4, so it's dropping over +1. So my slope for this is -4. And that means that, it goes down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, right? So steep slope. And yeah, so I hope this is helpful to you. And we got one more question to go over for this.